Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Owa, and if you've been here before, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I tidy up my brows, especially now that we are home on quarantine. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide or tips of what I do to get my brows in shape and tidy whilst I'm home. And also I'm going to be showing you all the tools that I use. If you are here for this and you want to see how to tidy up your brows, you can easily follow my step. And meanwhile, if you've been here before and you still haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would highly recommend you do. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Now let's get into the video. Okay, starting, we're going to be needing a spoolie brush, eyebrush spoolie brush. So we're going to be using that. This particular one I'm using is for Benefit. And then you're going to be you also need your grooming scissors. You can actually use any of the small scissors that you have at home. It will also do the work. This will help to trim out all the long hair on your brows. And then you're also going to be needing a eyebrow razor. This particular one you can get from beauty supply store. They have them for £3 for £1. Okay, now I'm going in with my spoolie brush, brushing upwards the hair on my brows. I'm just basically brushing upwards to try and see any hair that's longer than usual. Excuse me. I'm going to brush that, and also I will go back in with these grooming scissors and cut off any hair that's longer than normal. Okay. Okay, now that that is done, I'm taking my razor. I'm actually holding my skin a little bit tighter so that this kind of make it easier or helps to take out the hair from the roots. So basically it's good to hold your skin a little bit tighter. I don't know if you've ever threaded your eyebrows before. If you've ever done that, they normally ask you to hold down your skin, and as you can see, I have excess skin on my eyelid, so it is very vital that I hold down my skin a little bit. So I'm just doing that, and also it does help to take out the hair from the root, so you don't have any dark spots or like dotted spots of hair. So it's very good to do that. After I've done that, I'm also going to the center of my brow sort of have hair as well, so I just go in with the razor to ensure that I shape that as well, and I'll repeat the same process on top. So as you can see, I am also holding my skin a little bit tighter and making sure that I just don't go below my shape. So I'm just tidying up, so I'm not really recreating a shape. I already have the shape there, so I'm just tidying it up. Okay, now I am done. I'm just brushing it again with a spoolie brush, just making sure that the shape is what I want, or I've literally taken out any regrowth. So I'm checking and making sure. As you can see, the difference between the one that has already been shaped and the other one is very clear. Although this particular brow, I think I overwaxed a long time ago, so it's literally smaller than the other one. So as like they say, the eyebrows are meant to be not sisters. Oh no, they're not supposed to be twin but sisters. So guys, this is what we have. So my one is literally, they are sisters, they are not twin at all. One is thicker than the other one is it's really very thin, so that's why I filled my brows in. So moving on, I'm going back to the other eye. As you can see, I'm doing the same process, just brushing upwards and then go back in with the scissors and cut the long hair first before even shaping with the razor. I'm actually doing exactly the same thing I did for the other eye. I'm repeating the same process on this other eye. So basically I'm using a razor. You can decide to use a tweezer. I know a lot of people that use tweezer, they twist the eyebrows. However, I prefer this razor when I don't go for waxing. I normally wax my brow by a special lady. She does it for me. So because obviously the quarantine, we've not been able to go to the salon for the past 3 months now, so I prefer to use razor. I know she's told me several times not to use razor, but I just prefer because it gives the eyebrow that precision, like it's really precise. So, and you put the shape, you can see as you're doing it, rather than using tweezer. As you're tweezing, you are careful not to pluck too much. But with this one, it's really easier for me personally. So guys, if you're gonna be trying this at home, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. It's Uwa's Makeup, and I will sure to repost your tags. And also, if you do try this out, leave let me know in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, also give this video a thumbs up. So you can see I'm almost done. So now I'm literally just showing you the brows. You can see the difference is really clear before and after. I'm going to, I think I insert a before video as well, so you can see how neat and clean this brow look. Just look at that. Look at it. Look at it. So it's really nice, and I really love this, and it took me literally less than 5 minutes. It's longer because I'm talking through and also I'm recording, so it will take less than 5 minutes. This is a quick and easy process. Guys, we're coming to the end of this video, and I'm also going to show you guys the after look of after I have gone in and filled in my brows to make them look like twin. So literally what I've done here, I've made my brow look like a twin. I recorded a makeup video for this look, so if you want to see this makeup look that I'm currently showing you right now, I think you want to see how I achieve it, check the description bar. I'll be leaving a link to this makeup look as well, so you can check that out. And also guys, if you like this hair that I'm currently rocking, I custom color the hair and actually bleach the hair. It's currently not on my website because I've not decided what I want to do yet, if I want to add color to it. I'm thinking of adding burgundy. Let me know if you like burgundy, if I should add burgundy color to it. Yeah, if you want this hair and you like it like this, don't forget to message me on Instagram. You can direct message me. I'm going to leave all my links to my social media handles in the description bar. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out. And if you really enjoyed this video and you love it, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube videos YouTube channel. I try as much as I can to upload new videos every week. So if you don't want to miss out on any of my videos, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye.